Hello Voodoo Stylist. This is a tutorial on using the Vudukammer platform for custom crafting, burning white magic voodoo dolls, and minting a new, customized NFT from the Vudubrigada Genesis collection. First thing, access Vudukammer at vudukammer.vudubrigada.io. Click on Connect Your Wallet button and select the wallet where you keep your Vudubrigada white magic NFTs that you'd like to burn. Your white magic will appear below, and you can select the ones you want to burn. Be aware that some NFTs have attributes that cannot be burned. The more white magic dolls you burn, the more rare traits you unlock. The fun begins now, Voodoo Stylist. Press the Customize button. Start choosing a body for your voodoo doll from those that will appear available in a pop-up window. If you hold down the left mouse button and move it left and right, you will see the 3D model of your voodoo doll. Repeat this for each trait, choosing from the available traits that you like best to assemble. The background is the last one you will choose before minting the NFT. This trait will not be displayed in 3D in front of the screen, but will be directly minted into your NFT's image, so that you will receive it in your wallet. If you want to change one of the traits you have already entered, you can go back and change it before minting. The last step will be to click on the Mint Voodoo button to mint your NFT. After minting, if you want your avatar, select the Download 3D Model button. The download of your customized 3D NFT avatar will begin, which you will soon be able to use in different digital environments. Congratulations, Voodoo Stylist! You are now a proud owner of a one-of-one Vudukammer by Vudubrigada Genesis collection doll.